to delete assignments out of your course that you know you're never going to use again, that it's old, it's not something that you're going to use because this deleting is permanent, you can do one of two things. You can click on the three dots and you can delete things individually. This will take a little bit of time. There is not a way to just check a box and delete a bunch of things, but what you can do is use groups, not your main groups. Do not delete your main groups, but you can create extra temporary groups to mass delete assignments. So I'm going to really quick click plus group and I'm going to type in attendance and click save. So now I'm going to search for attendance, and you're going to see that I have all of these attendance quizzes from our time during the pandemic. I'm going to take this first one and I'm going to move it to that attendance category that I just created, move. Now I'm going to search again. And if I go to the bottom, you will see this group. And I'm going to move this group up to the top. And the reason I wanted to do that is because I can drag things. So what I want to do now is I'm just going to drag attendance quizzes into that attendance group. And so the reason I'm doing this is because this dragging is actually faster than, not by much, but it is faster than going through and deleting each thing individually. So I would keep doing this until I have all of the attendance quizzes that I don't want in this course anymore in this attendance group. Then I'm going to click the three dots on just the attendance group, click delete, and I'm going to delete the attendance group with its 11 assignments. Delete group. What you should not do, though, is do not filter by attendance and then think that you can delete this assignments group, because it will delete more than just the attendance quizzes. It will delete everything that's in assignments. So you don't want to do that. That's why you want to create a group, drag things into it, then delete that fake group that you just made. That's kind of the only way to mass delete assignments. Otherwise, you're going to have to click on the dots and just hit delete. This is optional. You can leave the content and then just not copy it into next year's course. But that is an option for getting rid of large amounts of assignments at once. But remember, do not delete your main groups. Do not delete this main group because it will delete everything in there. Only delete groups that you're creating and dragging things into for the purpose of deleting.